Hello, my name is Alexandra, and now I'd like to present you a kind of a lecture about how to learn of yourself and the world around you. It can be comforting sometimes when we feel that we have arrived in life or when we think we've got everything figured out. Everything just seems more comfortable when we get in our own bubble and go on autopilot. After all, how much more is there to learn? My answer is everything. To thrive in this 21st century era of change, it's in our best interest to try to adopt a growth mindset. The belief that our intelligence is not innate or fixed. It is something we have control over if we exert a bit of tenacity. Here are some ways you can continuously learn about yourself and develop your growth mindset. First of all, keep in mind that curiosity builds confidence. When you are curious to learn about yourself, about your strengths, weaknesses, and what you will and will not do in certain situations, it can be messy, yes, but it also builds your confidence. When we feel anxious or afraid of some new situations, our senses tend to go inward and close up. Instead, try to open up and take a minute to notice all the details around you. Be confident that your curiosity is helping you grow in ways you may not even see yet. Then focus on the payoff. Think about the payoff when you venture into new learning territory, or when you face the truth about how you act when you experience certain emotions like anger. It may take time to learn new strategies to deal with those emotions, but the payoff will result in stronger, more meaningful relationships. If you learn, for example, more about personal financial management, the payoff will be saving money. When you feel afraid to learn new things about yourself or the world around you, figure out what the payoff will be. Then focus on that more than your fear. The next step to learning yourself is jot it down. Use words to learn about yourself and the world around you. This can be done with an early morning cup of coffee in your most comfortable chair at home, or while sitting at a cafe doing some people watching, for instance. Record how you feel on a day when you drink enough water, eat correctly, or get a good night's sleep. If you don't know what to write about, invest in a book of daily meditations. Or, for example, you can also subscribe to a website that will send you free inspirational quotes. All you have to do is write, with no worries about judgment, internal or otherwise. And to conclude our conversation, the last but not the least advice is to hit the road. Get out of your familiar comfort zone in whatever way you can. Plan a vacation to a country you've never visited, or taken a different route to work. If you don't have to spend a lot of money to travel, you can explore your own backyard. Yeah. or visit your own town as if you were a tourist. And of course, it's also important. You should always reflect on your own thoughts, feelings, actions, and emotions. We should keep in mind that we are never really finished learning about ourselves and our world. Who we are and the world around us are works in progress, as well as masterpieces worth discovering. That's all. Thank you very much.